Alright, hello, this is Megan Fuller, and we will be doing greater than, less than, and equal to today. So first, let's review. In order to find out if numbers are greater than, less than, or equal to another number, we need to look at place value. Let's take a look at 45. What number is in the ones place? We have a 5. What number is in the tens place? 4. So we have 5 ones, 4 tens. Let's try 16. How many ones? 6. How many tens? 1. Okay, 64. How many ones? We have 4. And how many tens? We have 6. 37. How many ones? We have 7. And how many tens? We have 3. 68. How many ones? We have 8 ones. And how many tens? We have 6 tens. Okay. Greater than. This is our greater than alligator. Okay, this symbol right here, which is a picture that represents something, this symbol with the alligator mouth pointing towards a big number, that means greater than. The greater than alligator mouth will always try to eat the bigger numbers. Okay, so we have our greater than alligator. Now let's take a look. How do we know if a number is greater than another number? So here we have 35 and 23. Let's take a look at 35. How many tens do we have in 35? We have 3. How many ones? We have 5. Let's take a look at 23. How many tens? We have 2. And how many ones? We have 3. So if 35 has 3 tens and 23 has 2 tens, which number is bigger? That's right. 35 has more tens, so 35 is greater than 23. See our alligator mouth? It's pointing towards that bigger number. It's going to eat that bigger number. Okay. This is our less than symbol. Here's our less than alligator. This alligator mouth is always try to eat the smaller numbers. So let's take a look at this one. This is our less than alligator right here. So we have 9 and 15. Well, let's take a look at 9. How many tens do we have? Oh, we don't have any tens. How many ones? We have 9 ones. What about 15? We have 1 10 and 5 ones. Which number is less than or smaller? Is 9 bigger than 15 or smaller than 15? Well, it doesn't have any tens, but 15 does, so 9 is less than. This is the equal to symbol. This symbol means equal to or the same. When numbers are equal to or the same, they have the same amount of tens and the same amount of ones. It's the same number. Okay. So let's take a look. We have 13 and 13. Do these numbers have the same amount of tens? Let's see. This has 1 10. This is 1 10. Do they have the same amount of ones? We have 3 ones and 3 ones. These numbers are equal because we have 1 10 on both sides and 3 ones on both sides. All right, let's practice real quick. We have 3 and 8. Which sign or alligator are we going to put here? 3 and 8. Is 3 bigger than 8? No. So 3 is going to be less than 8. Okay. Let's take a look at this one. We have 4 and 2. Is 4 bigger than 2? 4 is bigger than 2, so 4 is greater than. Alligator mouth is going towards that bigger number. Okay, 7 and 7. Do we have any 10s here? No. How many 1s do we have on each side? 7 1s, 7 1s. These numbers are the same. They are equal to. Good job, guys. Oh, we're moving into some harder numbers. Let's take a look at this one. 15 and 20. How many 10s do we have here? 1. How many 5s? 5. Let's take a look at 20. How many 10s? 2. And how many 1s? 0. This has 1 10. This has 2 10s. So 20 is bigger than 15. But 15 is less than 20. Remember, our alligator mouth is going to go towards the bigger number. So 15 is less than 20. All right. 42 and 34. How many 10s? We have 4. How many 10s? We have 3 10s, that's right. And we have 2 1s and 4 1s. Which number has more 10s? That's right, 42. We have 4 10s here and only 3 10s here. So 42 is the bigger number. 42 is greater than 34. 55 and 55. What do we have here? How many 10s do we have in each number? 5 10s and 5 10s. How many 1s? 5 1s, 5 1s. Are these numbers the same? Do we have the same amount of 10s? We sure do. Do we have the same amount of 5s? We sure do. The same amount of 1s, that's right. We have the same amount of 10s and the same amount of 1s. So this number is equal to. Remember, equal to means numbers are the same. They have the same amount of 10s and the same amount of 1s. All right, so let's take a quick minute and review what we have learned today. Remember, our greater than symbol. This is our greater than symbol. It's going to open to the left. It's going to eat that bigger number. That's our greater than alligator. Our less than alligator is going to open to the right. And it wants that smaller number. Remember? Equal to. That means the numbers are the same. They have the same amount of 1s and the same amount of 10s. And that is our equal to sign. So, greater than, less than, equal to. All right, great job, guys.